Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Mars Wi-Fi Range Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the Mars Extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug your Mars Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED becomes stable, usually solid or blinking depending on model. Find the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router, usually marked WPS. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds, then release. Locate the WPS button on your Mars Wi-Fi extender, usually on the side or front. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Mars Wi-Fi extender for about 2 to 5 seconds, then release. The WPS LED or signal LED on the extender will start blinking, indicating it's connecting. After about 30 to 60 seconds, the signal LED, or Wi-Fi LED, on the extender should turn solid or show green/blue light, meaning it's successfully connected to your router. If the LED is red or blinking, move the extender closer to the router and try again. Unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Plug it into a power socket and wait for the LEDs to stabilize. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.